The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued an excessive heat warning which is in effect from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. What? Dangerously hot conditions with temperatures of 120 to 125 degrees are expected. Where? All of New Mexico, Colorado, Mesa Verde, Delta, Arizona, Utah, and Nevada. When? From 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Impacts. Extreme heat will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Everyone in the Southwest must turn on air conditioning and drink plenty of fluids. Don't leave unattended children or pets in your vehicle, you psychopath. Make sure you limit outdoor activities. Chances of getting a heat stroke is very likely. Chances of fires are expected due to low humidity and wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. If you spot a fire, call 911 immediately and evacuate. Bring essentials such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio to your journey. Repeating, an excessive heat warning is in effect from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and your local fire department. At 8:45 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, wildfires have been spotted in many cities all across the Southwest. Please listen carefully for instructions. Evacuation routes have been pinned for parts of Salt Lake City, Denver, Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Fort Lovelock, Fort Airdrie, Punta Rosa, Phoenix, Albuquerque, Santa Fe, Shiprock, Tucson, Las Vegas, Carson City, and more. If you are unable to evacuate and need assistance, please dial 911 immediately.